The Shapes button on the toolbar in CraftArtist provides a wide variety of commonly used shapes to use on your design. This tutorial will give you a quick rundown of how to use them with a few tips and tricks along the way. Let's start off simple. To create a shape, click the button on the standard toolbar and select the shape you would like to use. You can now either double click to place a default size shape or click and drag to draw your shape to a specific size, width or height. If you want to keep the height and width the same, hold down the Shift key while dragging. I'm just going to zoom in on the shape now to show you a few more things. New shapes will adopt the currently set line and fill as shown here. To change the line colour, make sure you have the line fill selected, then choose a colour. You can also change the line style. Click the line tab, then experiment with the different options. Try applying a stitch brush edge to shape it. It looks fab. You can adjust the appearance of your shape at any time. Notice the little white circles or nodes. These are very different for every shape, and if you drag them side to side, you'll be able to change the appearance of your shape. If you can't see the nodes, select it and click on the Edit button. Notice the toolbar changes when you are using the shapes. For each type of shape, there will be different options here. This toolbar allows you to change your shape to another at any time. Select your shape, then scroll through the different shapes until you find one you like. You can convert any shape to editable lines and points. To convert an item to curves, select your shape, go to Tools menu and click Convert to Curves. With the item still selected, click the Edit Points button. You can now edit the outline of the item by adjusting the points. Selecting a point and clicking Delete will get rid of it, and you can add new points by clicking once on the line. I want to show you a couple of tips and tricks for when you're using shapes. Try this. Convert your shape to curves, then while it's still selected, choose the pencil tool and hover over your shape. You will notice a squiggly line by the pencil. You can now edit the points of your shape and draw in new ones with the pencil tool. Draw from one node to another to change the appearance of your shape. Another trick is when you want to change the smoothness of a line. For example, if you have a pointed line that you want to be smooth, try select the node when in editing mode and notice how the toolbar changes. You can now click on the Smooth Corner button and your line will automatically smooth. Try it also for making curved lines straight. The final trick I want to show you is how to break apart a shape. Select the item with the Select tool. Now click the Edit Points button. Select the point of the shape that you want to break apart. Click the Break Curve button on the toolbar so that the line will separate. A shape will become a line with the selected point split into 2 points, one at each end of the new line. You can now reposition the points and reshape the line by dragging on the handles. Note that when you first break the shape apart, the 2 points are in exactly the same location, so it will still look as if it is connected. If you drag one of the red point ends away, you will see the break. Give it a go yourself and play with the shapes in CraftArtist.